Ito naman be sa noo para makita nyo talaga kung paano nabe-blurred yung mga texture. Babes, grabe naman pala tong product na to.
Gusto nyong iwasan yung pagbibitak-bitak ng foundation sa mukha nyo o yung tinatawag nila na cakey base? Keep watching, be. First thing you have to consider, mga be, is pumili ng magandang pang skin prep, yung talagang solid at compatible sa skin type mo. It could be toner, moisturizer, or any other skincare na meron ka na talagang hiyang ng face mo. Second thing, you have to choose a good primer. Today, mga be, I'll be using this Instant Filter Pore Refining Primer from Careline. It is called Instant Filter for a reason kasi be, tignan nyo to ha. Let me just blend this. Can you see that, be? Alright. Ang ganda nito. See, mga be, the pores in this part of my face are actually minimized. But if you turn my face here, nakikita mo talaga yung mga texture. And mga be, this is the part without the primer. And this is the part with the primer. Just look at that. Very smooth. It happens, mga be, because this primer has salicylic acid, which helps minimize the appearance of the pores. Another good ingredient it has is tea tree oil, which has an antimicrobial properties that help reveal smooth and clear skin, bevs. Kung oily type yung skin mo, mga bevs, more likely yung mga texture sa mukha mo is mag-show up talaga. If you want to minimize them, you should definitely try this one. If you are not fond of makeup, mga be, it's fine because this one can be worn alone.
I'll give you a closer look kung paano niya talaga nabe-blur out yung mga pores instantly. Can you see that, be? Diba? Ang bongga talaga nito. You should definitely